Hi, everyone. My name is Steve Reifman. I'm a National Board Certified Elementary School teacher, author, and workshop presenter in Santa Monica, California. During the course of my teaching career, I've developed a whole child approach that empowers students and emphasizes academic excellence, lasting habits of character and habits of mind, valuable work habits and social skills, and health and wellness. I've written several resource books for teachers and parents, and I'm also the creator of the Chase Manning Mystery Series for kids. I absolutely love being an educator, and I believe that teaching is what I was meant to do. I believe that teaching is my calling, and I'm so grateful to have found it. After 28 years in the classroom, I've decided to take a leave of absence for the 2022-2023 school year to pursue a variety of online and in-person opportunities within education. I'm very excited to begin teaching on Outschool. I plan to teach a variety of classes on Outschool, initially focusing on math and writing. Math has always been a favorite area of mine. I've been thoroughly trained in the cognitively guided instruction, or CGI, approach to math, and I very much enjoy helping kids become more confident mathematical thinkers, help them develop greater proficiency with their skill, and experience the engagement and joy that math can offer. Writing also holds a special place in my heart. With my training in the Teachers College approach to writing workshop, combined with my experience as a writer, I'm able to help kids become more skilled writers and hopefully develop a love of writing that they will carry with them for many years. I look forward to working with all of you.